Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a SIM that will work in Kyrgyzstan. Unlimited data eSIM. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. And show you how to do it. Okay, link and coupon will be in the description. Okay, nice. Open link in the description voyafly.com and open this web page. Get unlimited roaming data and click on this English and 30 language. Alright, get unlimited roaming data. Where are you traveling to? Click on this and write Kyrgyzstan and click on this unlimited data eSIM. Open this page and high speed 4G 5G data, no downloading or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes, and this small price 50% discount, and choose data type unlimited data, fixed data, and fixed data 7 days or 30 days. This price, this data, and click on unlimited data, choose appliance speed light plus. Alright, and 30 days $100 and light speed, and speed plus, click on this $150 30 days, and click on this 30 days plus speed unlimited data $151.95 on by yes, right, by 2 eSIM and this discount, by 4 eSIM this discount, by 6 eSIM this discount. Nice. And one position, or and it gave okay one position, and click on add to cart or buy it now, and click on this buy it now, and write discount code ROM tips and click on apply this nice discount, and click on this Google Play and pay Google Play, or write your email and write card number, write date and security code, name of card, and billing address. You select your country and write your first name, last name, address, postal code, city, and phone, and your phone, and click on pay now, and that's all. You buy eSIM. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, bye bye.